number corner time. We're going to review our pattern that we have up here already. And remember, we're saying the shapes. So here we go. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square, circle, that's the clock. Window is not a shape, guys. It's the rectangle. The window is shaped like a rectangle. Triangle, we have the pennant flag. Square, we have the checkerboard. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Circle, our coin, the quarter. Rectangle, our rug from yesterday. And drum roll, please. We have more triangles, and they are a garland. Pennant garland flags. So they are going up here. You will also notice our date today. 2 numbers, 1 and a 5. We don't read it 1, 5. We read it 15. Can you say that? 15. Let's count up to 15. Here we go. We'll start with the first day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come back over here. 13, 14, 15. So today is September 15th, 2020. And if we go by the days of the week, it is Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And our months, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. My favorite month, 2 reasons. My birthday is in December, and Christmas, my favorite holiday. We're going to scoot over here, guys, and we're going to look up here at, there we go. Oops, back this way. Back this way. There we go. Okay. All right. So we're going to add a dot. Now, we finished up with the blue dots, so we're going back to the red dots. We're going to come down here and add a dot for today. Now, we know we filled this frame up yesterday, and there are how many here? 10. You're right. Let's double check. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 and 1 more. Do you know what number that makes? 11. And you write an 11. Let's erase this all off here. Do you know how to write an 11? A 1 and a 1. That's how you write the number 11. A 1 and a 1. Okay, we're going to add a clip. And we're going to start a new chain because we have how many here? You remembered from yesterday, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1 more make. We just did this. Yes, 11. Very good job. So now I need to write that 11 down here, and it is, right, a 1 and a 1. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. We get a little loud on the 10 and excited at 10s. Now, we're going to spin. Boop. And we end up with, show me on your fingers. That's right, 2. So I need to count out 2. And Miss B discovered she should have been using her 10 frame card, but it's easy. 1, 2. 1, 2. So these are going to go into week 3. Wow, week 3 of school. Hard to believe. All right, cookies, that's it for this part of Number Corner. We're going to do the part where we are going to flash and build together during our math lesson. So make sure you have your 5-frame card. It came in the bag with all your supplies and just 5 Unifix cubes but they have to be all one color. All right, cookies, I will see you